Next, let's look at how to monitor a project for both cost as well as schedule. All right. So, so let's suppose that we are now at the end of week 6. Okay, we are at the end of week 6, and our weekly reports come in, and we have the percentage completion for each of our activities. Okay, so we have A through H activities. And let's assume based on the reports, the percentage completion are given as these. Okay, so and from the weekly reports, we also have the actual cost for each of these activities. Okay, so these are actual costs, not the budgeted costs, actual ones. Okay, so now we have the budget right here given, and we also have the percentage completion. So what is the budget? What should have been the cost for these activities at this point in time, at the end of week 6? So we take the budget amount and multiply by the percentage completion. So that is the amount that um, that was planned. Again, we are assuming that the budgeted amount is equally distributed um, by the percentage of completion. So which means that if an activity is 50% complete, then it would have used up 50% of the budgeted amount, which may not be true in many cases. But for simplicity, we are assuming that here. Okay. So then we can find the difference. So actual minus budget, it tells us whether we have a budget overrun or cost saving. A negative number is cost saving, a positive number is overrun. So if you sum that, then we have a total cost overrun or underrun at this point in time. So at this point in time, we are running over budget by $12,000. Okay, and once again, for the same completion percentages, we can look at schedule based on the latest finish time. Okay, so once again, we have A through H, the activities, right? Now we look at the latest finish times. Okay, so latest finish times for these activities. Okay, from here we have the latest start time plus the time duration, or we can get the latest finish time from one of the previous sheets. This will do. So latest start time plus activity duration will give us the latest finish time. Now we can compare that against the actual completion. Okay, actual completion is that. Okay. So at the end of week 6, remember we are at the end of week 6. Ending week is 6. So any latest finish time that we have planned, okay, of 6, you should have 100% completion, right? And anything over 6, you may not have 100% completion. So we can further. So at this point in time, all the activities that must be complete by 6 weeks are 100% complete. Activity D is only 10% complete, so it's possible that activity D, the latest finish time is 8. We still have 2 weeks. Okay, so D, the time is 4 weeks. Okay, so we have only we're done. We should be done 50%. We are done only 10%. So we are probably behind in terms of D, and if D is a critical activity, so again you have to go back to critical activities and see whether D is critical. D is not critical. So E, G, and H are critical, so we are okay. E, okay, so E, again, E is a problem. E is critical, and E should be done about 50%. We are done only 20%. So E is a problem. Okay, so this is how you would monitor time and money in a project.